Okay, so if you want to make deposit into your Axie account, just go to clientportal.axie.com. Clientportal.axie.com. Yeah. So to bring you to where you're going to log in. So you check your mail, login details will have been sent to your mail. So check your mail and put in the login details here. I already have it here, so I can sign in. But you check your mail, put your MT4 login and the password here. So click on these three lines at the top. Click on add funds. This must be after you must have uploaded your ID, your NIN card, or your voter's card, or your passport, whichever one you have. So you can choose, if you're in Nigeria, choose internet banking. Internet banking if you're in Nigeria. There are other payment methods that you can use. So just input $250. If you are depositing $50, put $250 here. Then it's going to show you the amount you have to pay in Naira. Press convert. The minimum is $250, right? So, but if you want to deposit 300, 400, 500, just put in the figures here. Then it will convert it to Naira for you. Then you know how much you're paying. So that means the amount to pay in Naira is 197,999.61 kobo. So that is how much you'll be paying in Naira. 197,999.61 kobo. So you pay the exact amount, not less, not higher, the exact amount. The exact amount. 197,999 Naira 61 kobo. Okay, so click on I agree, then you now click on make payment. So an account number will be generated for you, and that is where you are going to pay the money into using your own bank account. Do not use a third-party account. Make sure you're using your own mobile app to make the transfer with your details. With your own details. Don't use someone else. If not, it will be rejected. So you go to your mobile app. This is the amount you are paying, the exact amount. This is account number. This is the bank, Sterling Bank. Then the beneficiary name is Zota Technology. So after you must have made the payment, so you come back here and click on I have made this bank transfer. And note, this transaction is only valid for 1 hour, just 1 hour. Okay, as you can see, I initiated the transfer around 11:55 a.m. Then it will expire by 12:54 p.m. So exactly 1 hour. Okay, so after that 1 hour, you have to come back and initiate a new transaction. This account number will not be valid again. I hope you understand. So once you come back here to click on I have made this bank transfer, it will automatically reflect. Give it some few minutes, then go back and log into your account, your Axie account, then your balance will reflect there.